What if I told you the rest of 2025 is still wide open, even if everything so far has fallen apart? If you're tired of excuses, tired of starting tomorrow, listen up. In the next 9 minutes, I'll give you a straight, brutal reset you can use today to turn the next 4 months into your breakthrough. You started this year with big intentions. So did half the world. Somewhere between good intentions and results, life happened. Plans stalled, habits slipped, and the noise got louder than your promise to yourself. That's normal, but it's not fate. Here's the truth. Calendars don't decide your outcome. Decisions do. One clear decision today outranks 1,000 half-hearted plans from January. You don't need more motivation. You need a clean, fierce reset. A reset that's simple, specific, and impossible to ignore. By the end of this video, you'll have a concrete 90-day plan, 3 micro habits that actually stick, and 1 immediate action to change everything. Stay with me, because what comes next won't be poetic. It will be useful, it will be effective, and it will work. Listen, it's too late is one of the laziest lies your brain tells you to avoid risk. Replace it with this. It's not too late to be relentless. Reality check. Humans are wired to love fresh starts. A date, a ritual, or even a single sentence can flip your internal switch. You need a restart ritual, a tiny ceremony that marks day 1. Close your eyes, breathe, say aloud, "Today I reset." That sentence changes neural pathways. It signals your brain the game has restarted. Action, do this now. Stop the video for 10 seconds. Type the word reset in the comments. That simple public step increases commitment. You're not announcing to strangers, you're making it real. Most people fail because they try to change everything. You don't need more willpower. You need a surgical habit audit. Look at your day and ask, what feeds me and what drains me? Pick 1 bad habit to remove and 1 micro habit to add. That's it. 1 down, 1 up. Examples that actually move the needle. Remove, scrolling before bed. Add, 10 minutes of low-effort reading after dinner. Or, cut 1 energy-draining meeting. Start 1 focused 25-minute work sprint. Small moves compound. Micro wins beat giant intentions because they're consistent. Action. Write down the 2 habits, 1 to stop, 1 to start, and put them where you'll see them every morning. Clarity is brutal and kind. If your goal is vague, your actions will be weak. Stop saying, "I want to get better," and start saying, "By November 30th, I will busek." Fill that blank with something measurable. Revenue, pounds lost, pages written, clients signed. Pick numbers. Now break that single number into 3 specific targets for the next 90 days. Why 90? Because it's long enough to make progress and short enough to maintain urgency. Visualize the version of you who hits those numbers. Spend 60 seconds seeing it. This is not fluff. This sets your internal GPS. Action due now. Say your single 90-day goal out loud. Record 10 seconds of voice memos called 2025 Reset Goal and listen to it every morning. Motivation is fickle. Systems are stubborn. Your job is to build a system that survives tired days. Design a non-negotiable ritual, 30 minutes of high-value work first thing, a daily walk to reset your mind, or a single creative session at 6 p.m., and guard that ritual like it's a meeting with your future self. The trick: make the ritual so small you can't say no. Want to write? Start with 250 words. Want to exercise? Start with 5 minutes. Consistency compounds faster than talent. The person who shows up every day will always outrun the person who waits for the perfect day. Action. Choose your non-negotiable. Put it on the calendar now and treat it like a paid appointment. This is the heartbeat of the reset. Divide the rest of 2025 into 1 or 2 focused 90-day sprints. Sprint 1, implement. Sprint 2, scale. Track weekly outcomes, not just activity. Did you ship something? Did you lose weight? Did you launch the pitch? Weekly outcomes create accountability without obsession. Set milestones every 2 weeks and celebrate small wins. Micro celebrations are fuel. They remind you progress exists even when the mountain still looms. Action, open your calendar. Block the next 90 days into 3 chunks. Label each chunk with a single measurable milestone. Alone, you'll rationalize. Together, you'll perform. Get an accountability partner who will call you out. Post a weekly update in a public place, a story, a community, or the comments below. If you're brave, tell someone you respect the exact milestone you'll hit in 2 weeks. Pressure works, expect the dip. Around week 3, energy falls. That's normal. The cure is a tiny, immediate action, a 5-minute reset. When motivation dips, do the smallest thing that keeps momentum. 1 page, 1 call, 1 short run. Show up. That's how you outlast the dip. Action. Tag 1 person in the comments who will hold you accountable for your first milestone. This is simple and ruthless. Pick 1 high-leverage action you can complete today, not tomorrow. Ship the email, pitch the client, write the outline, make the call. Completing 1 meaningful task today creates the momentum that snowballs. Momentum is your secret currency. The rest of 2025 isn't waiting for you. It's moving with or without you. The only question is, will you drift into the same patterns, or will you choose to reset and rewrite your story, starting today? Every breakthrough starts with a decision. Not a perfect plan, not the right conditions, just the bold, stubborn choice to try again when others quit. And if you choose to reset right now, the next 4 months could be the most transformative season of your life. So don't just watch this video. Take the step, write the goal, build the habit, claim the vision. Because 2025 isn't over, and neither are you. This is still your year. And if you're ready to rise, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs their reset too. Together, let's make 2025 unforgettable.